Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna have a fun build. I'm at my buddy Rick Hull's shop in Reno, Nevada, and we're gonna do something interesting. We're gonna take these railroad spikes plus some damascus and make something cool. I got my son Parker here, and the idea for this actually came from a friend of mine, Jason Kraus from North Star Forge. We're gonna try and replicate what he posted because I thought it looked really cool. We're gonna get this
kind of close. Kind of close.
We'll see.
Close enough.
All right, let's get it done. whole thing.
I like the little bigger handle personally.
Yeah, it's a little narrow.
Here's the 2.5-pound version of Alex.
That's big. This is a good weight for this. I hate fucking holding this knife though.
Yeah, it's not easy to hold, is it?
These tongs might work better.
Careful, careful, because you're bending it over the, yeah.
Make sure it's flat.
That's not the color of me, but in, up and down. All right, so we're out of time, but we got these pretty close. We haven't hand sanded them. Well, Rick hand sanded his, but so we got a little bit more grinding that I'm going to end up doing back at my shop with Parker. And I'll post some final pictures of these. But Rick, thanks for having us. It's been super fun.
You bet. Parker, you did really good, man. For
Thank you.
Early forging. Yeah, he's doing a good job.
Parker's first forging foray. So he got to use the big power hammer, and we had lots of fun.
Absolutely.
So stay tuned and see what these end up looking like at the end. Okay, we're back at home, ready to finish off these knives. We got some hand sanding to do. You ready for this?
No.
We're going to get it done. Okay, we got these knives all sanded, and now we're putting them in ferric chloride. Let's see what they look like. All right, I'm really happy how these turned out. You guys will see some glamour shots, but there they are. So it's been really good fun having Parker in the shop. In fact, I'm taking him off to Navy basic training today. So it'll be the last time you're in the shop for a while. Gonna miss this kid. Big thanks to Rick Hall. If you're up in the Reno area and you're looking to get some training, go check out Rick Hall. I'll put a link down in the video description for him. And if you're in the Minneapolis area, go check out Jason Krause at North Star Forge, another great bladesmith. Last build in the shop for a while, P.
Yep.
We're gonna miss you.
Me too.
All right, folks, you'll see me in the next episode.